Now, as you may observe, exercise 4.1 all the problems. If any difficult, please call me or contact me. And next one is exercise 4.2. I am going to explain now. Here, what is the first question? Without expanding all the questions, without expanding, prove that. First question is data of x, y, z, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c is equal to 0. Simple way. C3 gives rise to C3 minus C1, C2. What you are going to get, observe C1 or C2, no problem. Now x, y, z as it is, a, b, c as it is. Now what you got, observe there here, x plus a minus a, y plus b minus b, z plus c minus c is it. Now this is equal, what you are going to get, this a, b, b, c gets cancelled. Now x, y, z, a, b, c, x, y, z is equal to 0. Why? Since C1 comma C2 are similar. Next question, question number 2. What is the question number 2? 2 is they are asked that prove that data of a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, and c minus a minus b, b minus c is equal to 0. Here also observe there what I am doing. Here c1 gives rise to c1 c1 plus c2 plus c3 I am going. Then what I am going to get, determinant is data of a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a, b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b, and c minus a plus a minus b plus b minus a. This is b minus c minus a, and this is c minus a minus b, a minus b, b minus a as it is. Now here what you are going to, plus a minus plus b minus all are going to get cancelled. You are going to get 0, 0, 0, and b minus c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. Already we are discussing special property. What is that? If all the elements of any row or column are 0, then determinant is 0. Now question number 3 we are moving. Question number 3 is data of 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86 is equal to 0. Now I am doing simple logic. What is the least multiple less than 65? Least multiple of 7 less than 65. What you are going to get? 7 9s are 63, and here is 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81. That means C3 gives rise to C3 minus 9 C2. Then what you are going to get? 2, 5, 3 as it is, 7, 8, 9 as it is, 65, 75, 86 minus 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, and here it is. And here it is, what is there? 86 minus 9 9s are 81. Now what you are going to get, observe there, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. 65 minus 63, 2. 75 minus 72, 3. 86 minus 81, 5 is equal to 0. Why? Since C1 comma C3 are similar. Next, we are entering into the question number 4. Now question number 4, observe there what is there? Data of 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB, and BAB, A into B plus C, B into C plus A, and C into A plus B is equal to 0. Now simple way what I am doing, C3 gives rise to C3 plus C1, C2. Now what you are going to get, as it is 1, 1, 1, and this is BC, CA, AB, and this is AB, plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Now here next taking common AB plus BC plus CA from C3. Then what you are going to get, observe there, AB plus BC plus CA into 1 1 1 BC CA AB and 1 1 1. Now here observe there, C1 is similar to C3. Therefore what you are going to get as property, AB plus BC plus CA into 0, that is equal to 0. Next question number 5. We are moving to the question number 5. What is the question number 5? Observe there. This is question number 5 is prove that det of B plus C, C plus A plus B, Y plus Z, Z plus X, X plus Y, Q plus R, R plus P, P plus Q is equal to 2 into A, B, C, okay, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Like this, no problem. Here in your text they are given C1 and C2 interchange, but you can go for this one as his method is same. Now here observe there, what is there, B plus C, C plus A, here 2 is there. No, that's the first one is the R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then what you are going to get, observe there, R1 plus R2 plus R3 means B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B, Y plus Z plus Z plus X plus X plus Y, and Q plus R plus R plus P and P plus Q, and remaining as it is C plus A and A plus B, and here is Z plus X, X plus Y, and here is R plus P and P plus Q. Now this one, what you are going to get, row 1 is 2 into A plus B plus C and 2 into X plus Y plus Z, 2 into P plus Q plus R. Now this one is remaining C plus A plus B, and here Y, Z plus X, X plus Y, and here is R plus P, P plus Q. Now what you can take common? Taking common from, that is 2 from R1. Then what you are going to get? This is 2 into det of A plus B plus C, B, C plus A plus B, and this is X plus Y plus Z, Z plus X, X plus Y, and this one is P plus Q plus R, and this is R plus P, P plus Q. Now observe there, I am going for the operation. Observe here, what is there in this one? Previous one is the A plus B plus C and C plus A is there. No? That's why R1 gives rise to R1 minus R2. If I go for this one, what we are getting, observe there, this is A plus B plus C minus, what is there, C plus A, that means minus C minus A, and this is X plus Y plus Z in minus Z minus X, P plus Q plus R minus P, and this is as it is C plus A and A plus B, this is Z plus X, X plus Y, and this is R plus P and P plus Q. Now what you are going to get, everything is going to be something that is here C, A gets cancelled, you are going to get B, here C plus A plus B, and next one is here Y, Z plus X, X minus X plus Y, and next one is Q, R plus P, P plus Q. Now here I am going for the operation. R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. Now what you are going to get? 2 into B, Y, Q, C plus A, Z plus X, R plus P, A plus B, minus B, X plus Y, minus Y, P plus Q, minus Q. This plus Q minus Q gets cancelled, plus Y minus B. That means what you are going to get? 2 into B, C plus A, Y, Z plus X, X, Q, R plus P, P. Now again R2 gives rise to R2 minus R3. Then what you are going to get finally? 2 into data of B, Y, Q, and this one is A gets cancelled, C, XX gets cancelled, Z, and PP gets cancelled, R, and A, X, P. But what is the first element? This should be interchanged. That is R1 interchanging with R3. Now what do you know? When you are interchanged, two rows or columns, the sign of the determinant changes. Here what we are going to get? 2 into data of, that is minus 2 into data of A, C, B, X, Z, Y, and P, R, Q. Again what we are doing? R2 interchanging with R3. Again what is that? Minus into minus, it becomes plus 2 into A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Hence it is proved. Next we are moving into the example 6. What is example? That is, sorry, question number 6. That is, prove that data of 0, A minus B, minus A, 0 minus C, B, C, 0 is equal to 0. By seeing that you can say 0. Why? Because already we have discussed it, that is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means A transpose is equal to minus A. Then determinant of that matrix is 0, to remember. Now here this is a skew symmetric matrix, but here I am going for the operations. First delta is equal to what you can write? Data of 0 minus A, B, A, C, A0, C, minus B, minus C, 0. Now here I am going for the R1 gives rise to CR1 and R2 gives rise to BR2. Here R2 gives rise to BR2. Now what you are going to get? Delta is equal to 0 CA minus BC minus AB 0 minus BC BC 0. Now what you are going for operation is R1 gives rise to R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 means 0 minus into minus plus AB, CA minus 0 minus BC minus into minus plus BC, and remaining as it is. That is 0 plus AB and BC finally 0. You got. Now what you are going to get? This one is observed there. This is AB and this is plus CA and 0 minus AB 0 minus BC and BC 0. Now simply taking common, that is here what is there? Observe there, taking common A from R1. Now what you are going to get? This one is B minus AB, B, C, 0, C, 0 minus BC 0, and you are taken common A. Now BC 0, BC 0, that is R1 is similar to R3. Therefore what is the determinant? A into 0 is equal to 0. Hence proved. Question number 7. Here prove that data of minus A square AB AC BC minus B square, this is B square, and this is BC, and this is CA CB minus C square is equal to 4 A square B square C square. Now here first I am writing the right given delta. Delta is equal to minus A square AB CA AB minus B square BC CA BC minus C square. Now simple logic, it contains A as well as row contains and column contains A. First I am taking common A comma B comma C from R1 comma R2 comma R3 respectively. Then what you are going to get, observe there, delta is equal to what you are going to get, A, B, C you are taken common from the R1 and R2 and R3. Then you are going to get minus A, B, C, and this is you are taken common B, no, that is A minus B, C, and this is A, B minus C. Again here what you need, equal to, you are going to get equal 4A square B square, no. Again what I am doing here, taking common A comma B comma C from C1 comma C2 comma C3 respectively. Then what you are going to get, already ABC there, no, that becomes A square B square C square into data of minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1 C1 and 1 1 minus 1. Now here R2 gives rise to R2 plus R1, R3 gives rise to R3 plus R1. Why? Because here minus 1 is there, no? Then what you are going to get, A square B square C square into minus 1 1 1, and this is 1 minus 1 0, this is 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2, and this is 1 minus 1 0, and 1 plus 1 2, and 1 minus 1 0. Now expanding with row 1, expanding with column 1. If I am expanding with column 1, what I am going to get, observe there, A square B square C square into, expanding with column 1 now, minus 1 into data of 0 to 2 0 minus 0 plus 0. Then this is you are going to get A square B square C square, and this is minus 1 into 0 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 A square B square C square, hence proved, is called RHS, hence proved. Further, question number 8 main, first one, already we have discussed this type of question. Prove that det is equal to 1 1 1 A B C A square B square C square is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Now here also write the first whatever the given delta. Delta is equal to data of 1 1 1 A B C A square B square C square. Now here R2 gives rise to, otherwise R1 gives rise to R1 minus R2, R2 gives rise to R2 minus R3. Then that is equal, what you are going to get, 1 minus 1 A minus B A square minus B square, 1 minus 1 B minus C B square minus C square, 1 C C square, that is 1 minus, this is R2 minus R3, no, over this is 1 C C square. Now this becomes 0 0 1 A minus B B minus C C, and this is A plus B into A minus B, and B plus C into B minus C and C square. Now what you can take common, observe there, taking common, what is that, A minus B in the row 1, no, A minus B in R1 and B minus C in R2. Now what you are going to get, this one is A minus B into B minus C into, then 0 1 A plus B, 0 1 B plus C, and 1 C C square. Now you can go further operation also. Instead of that, directly you can go for the operation. What you can go, that is expand with respect to column 1, A minus B into B minus C into 0 minus 0 plus 1 into, what is that, 1 A plus B, 1 B plus C. That is, if you are expanded, that is A minus B into B minus C into B plus C minus A minus B. This plus B plus B gets cancelled. Finally, what you got? A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. The same question may be asked in terms of X. Here what you are going to get, row 1 is A minus B plus 2B plus 2C and 2A plus B minus A minus C minus A plus 2C and 2A plus 2B plus C minus B minus A. Here what is there? 2B and this is C minus A minus B. Now what you are going to get, observe the row 1 is A plus B plus C 2B 2C A plus B plus C B minus C minus A minus 2C plus 2C, sorry. Now this is A plus B plus C 2B and C minus A minus B. Now what you can take common? You can take common A plus B plus C from R1. Then what you are going to get, this one is data of, this is A plus B plus C into 1 1 1 and this is 2B 2C B minus C 2C and 2B C minus A minus B. Now again here 2B 2B is there, 2C 2C is there, that's why here C2 gives rise to C2 minus C1, C3 gives rise to C3 minus C1. Then what you are going to get, this is A plus B plus C into data of 1 2B 2C 1 minus 1 B plus C B minus C minus A minus 2B and 2C minus 2C and this is 1 minus 1 2B minus 2B C minus A minus B minus 2C. Now here what you are going to get,